I could not come here to DC without trying the Roaming Rooster. I heard they have the best chicken sandwiches in DC. Some say in the whole world. Let's go check it out. I heard you guys have the best chicken sandwich in the world. Is that true? Nobody lied to you.
It's true.
Why don't you come yourself to try it?
When I wake up, I can't even stay up. I slept through the day.
Their menu primarily features different flavors of chicken sandwiches.
I'll be so much stronger. I'll stay up for long.
The place was packed with families, all enjoying their chicken.
Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just wanna look into your eyes. I just wanna stay for the night.
People love this place.
Maybe we can hit the 405. Hypnotized by
So this is our first time in here. We had the OG Nashville chicken. We had the honey butter chicken. We had it in medium. We had it hot, just to taste both flavors. It was fantastic. We used to go to Chick-fil-A to get these sandwiches. I believe I'm not going to step a foot in Chick-fil-A anymore. This is the place where everybody needs to be. I love the chicken.
I just got a drunk text. Meet me at a spot. Yeah, we caught a vibe. Baby, are you coming for the ride?
Their chicken is lightly floured and fried, then dipped, then seasoned to perfection.
Maybe we can hit the 405. Hypnotized by the lights. Man, this must be the life. Meet me at a spot. Got something I wanna show you. Meet me at a spot. They can't find
Building some mouth-watering sandwiches.
a spot. Got something I wanna show you. Meet me at a spot. They can't find us there. We caught a vibe. Yeah. Baby, are you coming for the ride?
But they got more than just sandwiches. I'm in for a delicious treat. I can see what the fuss is all about. Lord, this looks delicious. Looks very appetizing. What do we got here? What's this right here?
So we got the tenders, mild heat. We got our wings. This is hot, Nashville hot wings. We got our fries over here, and we have some dipping sauce that goes with it. We have two sauce that we make in house. We got the honey mustard sauce and the sriracha mayo, all made in the house.
This is what they're famous for. Their chicken sandwiches. What's this one called?
This is our most popular sandwich. This is a honey butter sandwich, and with the medium heat, it has honey butter, cheddar cheese, and a medium heat chicken. Yeah.
Dripping too. Look at it.
Yes, it's melted on the chicken, honey butter.
Next one. What do we got here?
We got the clubs. The club has lettuce, tomato, ranch, apple with bacon. This is with the mild heat chicken. We got the OG, the Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Come with vinaigrette coleslaw, chicken, and a pickle.
I start with the wings. They have a beautiful color and delicious aroma. These wings are so good. First of all, really juicy. The flavor sounds like it slaps you right across the face with this one.
I'll be so much stronger. I'll stay up for longer. Meet me at a spot. Caught a vibe.
Nashville spicy.
I just wanna look into your eyes. I just wanna stay for the night. We catch a vibe. Maybe we can hit the
Gives it a nice little contrast with the heat. Creaminess. This goes so good together. Look how nice and crispy that is outside. Juicy in the inside.
feel it taking over me. But when I'm older, I'll be moving onward.
Now for some tenders. They also come with some heat.
Baby, are you coming for the ride? When I look into your eyes, I just wanna hold you all night.
yeah, these are good.
Hypnotized by the lights, man, this must be the life.
Just look at that chicken. Nashville touch with coleslaw and pickles for a little extra balance and nice crunch. This, my friends, probably the best chicken sandwich in the world. Yeah, I said it. Fight me.
Yeah, baby, are you coming for the ride?
They gave a lot of chicken in here. Good. Pile that pie, boy. Experience. Spices were on point. Chicken was juicy, and I'm still licking my fingers. What's your message for everybody out there that hasn't been here?
Stop by at Romy Rooster, try our fried chicken sandwich. We have amazing fried chicken sandwich, free range, no antibiotic. Coming through and try us out.
Romy Rooster! Romy Rooster in DC and Virginia, you are Mexi Papa approved.
When we catch a vibe, maybe we can hit the for a ball.
The Romy Rooster is the spot.